Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This week, we explain to you the strategy used behind the topology building process for an exit casing. The exit casing in a pump or volute receives the fluid being pumped by the impeller, maintaining the velocity of the fluid through to the diffuser. In this video, we will learn how to mesh revolving objects, how using just 2D phase we can easily create a topology in GridPro. This is the exit casing for which I will be demonstrating how to build the block structure. It has three surfaces. Firstly, the casing body, then the inlet and the outlet surface. Casing is a round object with a slight extrusion till the outlet region. So, using the work plane, I section the geometry exactly at the central region where the circular cross-section is smaller. This being an internal flow case, we build the blocks inside our geometry using corners and link. I create a 2D structure at the section region. After I've created the block structure, I assign the casing body and inlet region. Now that we've created a 2D sheet, we will copy it to both sides till the neck portion. To do this, in GridPro we have a tool called Revolve, which revolves and copies the topology as required. Ensure the correct axis of rotation is entered. Here the topology revolves around the y-axis. Since we are revolving the 2D sheet in different sides, we can't link the first and last copy. The topology has to remain open and manually be linked as shown here. This is how the topology would look like after performing revolve. Ensure the positioning of the assigned corners is almost nearer to the surface for quicker and better grid generation. Now I carefully select the faces, which are in the direction of outlet, and copy it further to the outlet region. Note that since the first and last faces are directly linked, it would be a single block. So I drop a couple of inserts and unassign the face, representing the outlet from the casing's surface body assignment. Now the initial blocking structure is complete. To create an O-grid structure here, we will group the corners assigned to the casing body into a corner group and wrap them. Let's check the validity of the topology. It shows a fully valid topology. Let's now run the grid generator. Once the grid is generated, I align the topology to the grid and save the file. Now let's check the quality of the grid. It shows a 0-fold grid with a max Q value of 0.7. Here is a quick summary of this tutorial. In GridPro, for circular geometries, one can easily generate blocking structure by creating just a 2D face and revolving the 2D face using the Revolve tool. Grid has an inbuilt smoother which positions the block onto the surface as per the assignments, but the smoother would take a few extra hundred sweeps to position it properly. Rather, while building the topology, if we position the wireframe almost close to the surface, the grid generation process would be quick. With this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave it below. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometries, you could write to us on support@gridpro.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos. Follow us on our social media pages. The links are posted in the description.